This is my January Beauty Fix by Derm store. I told you last time it was going to be last. Well, I didn't get around to canceling it. This one I did. This is the end, and I'll be looking for something new for the next quarter. So if you have anything, please let me know in the comments below. But this is a subscription service which I really like. It's $26 a month, which is a little high, but you get a lot of product for it. So let me show you what we get. First, you get a brochure that tells you all the things that are in it and how to use all the stuff and everything like that. So, first of all, Let's Be Friends Slips Pillowcase. Selfie or slip. Oh, I think it's a hair thingy. I have short, naturally curly hair, so I will be definitely giving that away because it just won't work on my hair. Gummies with benefits. Glow Sweet Glow. Skin hydration for the ultimate glow. Hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E. One thing is I hate gummies. I just think they get stuck in my teeth. So I'm not sure what I'll do with these. I already take a vitamin C tablet every day. I stopped taking vitamin E, but I don't know. There's 60 of them in here. I don't know. I'll have to think about that if I want to give it up or something, but I don't like gummies. Yonke Paris Age Defense. Intense Hydration Repairing. It's like a face mask. Can use that always. Tulu Skincare Face Serum. Always can use some of that. Looks like a lip. Dermalogica. I like their stuff. Oh, eye serum. I always love eye serums because I have a dry eye syndrome, and so especially around my right eye, it is really, really dried out in the wintertime, so I always looking for new eye serums to go. So that is a thrill for me. Ren Cream Jelly Oil Cleanser. I do a double cleanse. I always like to get new cleansers to give a try. Haven't found one that's like, oh, always got to have that one, but there are a lot of nice ones out there. And Elemis Peptide Active Day Cream, Advanced Skincare. Elemis is a good brand. Love all their products. And I think that's it. So there are a couple of no-goes because of who I am and what I got, but there are a bunch of things that I like, eye creams and stuff. So that's it for this time. Please, again, share, like, comments. The comments I'm looking for are, what's your favorite subscription box? Let me know.